Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the low pass filters as we are proceeding with the series of passive filters. And but now we are diving into the world of electronics to explore fundamental circuits, the low pass filter using an RC circuit as you can see on your screen. But first, what exactly a low-pass filter? Well, simply put, it's a circuit that allows low-frequency signals, as you understand by its name, to pass through while attenuating or blocking high-frequency signals. And one of the most common ways to create a low-pass filter is by using an RC circuit, which consists of a resistor and a capacitor. And if you understand that, you know that what is the frequency. If you know that this to pass the sine wave in a specific or unit time is called the frequency. Now if you can see here, the frequency, the signals are too much going to be closed. It means that the frequency is high at this point. So at this point you can see here that the low pass filters is not allow a very little bit signals to pass out, and when the frequency is low you can see here that here it allow to pass the signals. This is the frequency. To clear to you, let's break it down. The circuit, the resistor and capacitor in the circuit interact in a way that the capacitors allows high frequencies to pass through by providing a low impedance path, while the resistor limits the flow of these high frequency signals, causing attenuation. The interactions create a smoother output signal with reduced high frequency components, as you seen in the graph. The resistor controls how fast the capacitor charges and discharges. It's depend upon the values of the resistors. If I change the value here, you can understand better. Let me change the value here. Here, if we change this value to, for example, 5k, now you can see here the charging of capacitors very is changed to very low. Now if I change the frequency, change the resistance value to only 5, you can see here the capacitors are charging at very high speeds. And as I discussed, the resistor controls how fast the capacitor charges and discharges, affecting the cut-off frequency of the filter. And the cut-off frequency, often denoted by the symbol Fc, as all of you know, determines the point where the filter starts attenuating the high frequency signals. And now here you already a simple low pass filter. To see it in action as we assemble the circuit, remember the cutoff frequency is determined by the values of the resistor and capacitor calculated using the formula Fc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Rc, where R is the resistance and C is the capacitance. And these are the main and only components of the RC low pass filters. And as we already tested by inputting a signal with a mix of high and low frequencies, here you can see it's a variables. And also we checked out the effect of changing the resistors values. And we can also change the capacitor values, and it is also affected. In conclusions, what we concluded from this, the RC low pass filter is a versatile circuit used in various electronic applications to remove unwanted high frequency noise, allowing for a smoother output signal. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the RC low pass filter. Do not forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel Video Hub for more exciting electronics content. And if you require any type of assistance in electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number. And also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles. The links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video.